Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, this is what we're going to do today. Okay? Alright, I'm sick and tired of these little stubby handles on the milling table. They stick out not very far. Maybe an inch and a half, 2 inches. About 2 inches. And they're made out of aluminum. I think. I don't care. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take me some of this there, well, I think it's 1 inch rod, and I'm going to extend these handles to where I can actually comfortably turn it. Okay, I'm going to put a handle in there. Okay, so first thing we need to do is go out, whack us off a piece of this. I'm going to do the same thing for this side. Alright, so let's get started and bring you right back. Alright folks, we got those cut off. Got our slugs of metal. Cut them off with the saw. Now we got to put them in the lathe, bore them through, face them off, bore them through, clean up the rust, get started. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, we got it cleaned up as much as we're going to. I want a little tooth, so I'm going to leave the pitting in it. I want that, and you'll see why in a minute. Got the hole put through it. Be right back. Alright folks, that's why I didn't want to worry about the rest of it. Yeah, I could have made it smooth, but I wanted a little grip for that tape. Alright, next thing we need to do is install it and see if it works better. It's got to work better than them little tiny handles. Yeah, these are just yeah, too short. Yeah, and with these I can adjust my play a little bit too. Yeah, looking good. Oh yeah, I'm liking it. Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, that's feeling good. Alright, so let's tighten that down. Sorry guys, got you out of frame there a bit. Alright, next thing we need to do is adjust our gibs. That is something to hang on to rather than that. Alright, and I got some grip tape now too, so I can just, you know, hold it in the palm. Yeah, and when I get done adjusting the gibs, this thing should just wheel around, but I still have some grip on the handle and not slip into the machine at all. I mean, that is just epic awesome right there. So yeah, let's see if we can loosen these gibs up a little bit. Sorry guys, shaky. Holding you with one hand and working with the other. There we go. Let's see if we can adjust some. That's just a little tight for me. I don't like that. There we go. we'll get, that's a little too much now. I think you can hear that. But that's the idea. You got something to hang on to now rather than hanging on to this little slobber, because it was way up here. Yeah, so now we got something to hang on to. I like it. Alright, one more to go. I'm going to do this off cam, but that's another lathe improvement that we wanted to do. Okay. Oh, white. I'm liking it. That's pretty close to final on the lathe part. I mean, excuse me, not lathe. Mill. This ain't a lathe. This is a milling machine. Anyway, that's what we're after. We'll tighten these gibs up and adjust them up proper. Yeah, we'll get the play out of things. We'll go from there. What do you think, guys? I'd rather grab this and move it around than that little thing. Yeah, a couple times I slipped off of it because it's tapered, and I slipped and moved all the way up in here. I'm like, dude, that ain't good. But anyway, that's what we got now. Got to have a good milling table. And if you got one and you're going to pay the money for one of these, they're not cheap, but yeah, have a handle that at least moves and that you can hold on to. Alright, guys. Yeah, I just used grip tape on it. I like that. That's what I got on my lathe as well. So now we just got to do the second one. No big deal. Put it there. There's one on the other end, but I don't plan on using that end, so anyhow, that's gonna work, guys. It's gonna work good. Alright, take it easy. Remember, if you watch, thumbs up. Take care, guys. Love y'all. Bye bye.